Second round. Five.
Sobrang hangin po sa labas. Ay!
Powerless ba na?
Ay, yung video nandito pero nandito pa rin naglalaro.
Combo or half-point deduction given to the player of Quezon.
Wow, nice! Nabilangan pa.
Nice delivery of turn long distance kick by the
Ikot niya up mga
player from Quezon. And given a standing count to the player of the Laguna.
Ay, naku.
Another jumbo was given to the player of Quezon. That's just Laticha.
Ko talaga.
Ay, putang ina. Last two, ha? Sir, last two.
Parang si Ana.
The player red has already had a 6 jumbo and he might be disqualified just in case. He will be given again jumbos. End of second round.